Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. My name is Joseph Lucas.
My name is Yarosh Namolo.
My name is Antonia Maria.
My name is Shatin Shogun. So before we start with our presentation on money, the topic money, we are going to start with a warm-up song. So as we emphasized earlier, we are going to talk about money, mainly focusing on Namibian currency. So money is very important for younger kids to know, especially grade 3s, which we are going to focus on. I'm going to give a small introduction on money. Money is an essential commodity that helps you run your life. Exchanging goods for goods is an older practice, and without money you cannot buy anything you wish. Money has gained its value because learners will be able to start protecting wealth for their future needs. As a grade 3 teacher, I am going to teach learners on how to use money in everyday life. For example, buying and some of them being sent to shops so that they can know how to calculate change and all that. Learners will also understand how to use Namibian currency. They will know the importance of money. They will be able to identify differences between notes, which is paper money, and coins. So we have put up a sketch of the types of coins. We have 6 different types of coins in Namibia, starting with the smallest being the 5 cent, which is in the first column. We also have a 10 cent, which is in the second column. We have a 50 cent, third column, a $1, which is bronze, and also a $5 coin, and the now outdated $10 coin. So we will also emphasize more on
notes. So when we are talking about the notes, we also have different types of notes in Namibia, with the recently added 30 Namibian dollar note, which we know currently, which came through via the bank. The first one, as we can see it with the face of our Honorable Sam Nujoma, it's a $10 there. Then the second one also with Dr. Sam Nujoma, the $20. And to move on, there we can see again a $30, as I said earlier, that it came just brand new. As you can see it, there is also our 3 independent candidate or presidents, which is written President's Anniversary. Then we move on furthermore. There it comes the $50 with our late Dr. Hedrick Witbooi with the $50 there, and then comes again $100 there with our late Dr. Witbooi, and again a 200 Namibian dollar. Now as we move on, now we goes on the expressing equivalency. We can express cents in dollars and vice versa. Examples: 200 cents. Now, if you are given 200 cents, in terms of dollars, it will give you $2, because it will be in a multiple of 100 cents only. We can also express a quantity of 250 cents in one coin. There is a quantity of 310 Namibian dollar notes in a 30 Namibian dollar notes. This one is telling us that if you are having 310 Namibian dollars, like all of them together notes, you won't say I'm having $310, but you say you are having 30 Namibian dollar notes. There are also 5 $1 coins in a $5 coins. I hope this one is more understandable. Now we move on furthermore.
We put up a few examples of coins, which is illustrating the previous slide, which is expressing equivalency. And 2 50 cents are equivalent to $1 if you add 150 cent, plus another 50 cent will give you $1. And then three $10 notes are equivalent to one 30 Namibian dollar. If you add one $10 to another $10, then another will give you $30. And $5 coins are equivalent to a single $5. And we put up a few examples saying Paulus buys food for $37 and pays with a $50 note. He works out the amount of change by adding into 37 until he reaches $50. If you add $37 plus $10 plus $2 plus $1 will give you $50. And we come up with a shopping list indicating estimated cost for articles and showing the products. The products are eggs, milk, ground beef, bananas, pizza, bread, and the second column is showing their prices. And I'll give the chance to Yalom.
Okay, let me start with estimation. Roughly estimate the total cost of two items. For example, estimated amount for $6 Namibian, $6.90 plus $4.20. And another example is here that $7 plus $4, which is equal to $11. And in our conclusion, learners recognize Namibian coins and notes, express their understanding of money orally and in writing, and use to solve similar problems in everyday life context. Children will learn the different values and appearance of the different coins and notes. The learners' counting skills will be integrated, and furthermore, learners will know and understand how to use money at home and everywhere else. Most would also say that money is something one can hold as a store of value. Indeed, economists recognize money as the safest and most liquid store of value available, at least outside situations with high inflation, when money's value falls rapidly.
We thank you for our